Sometimes people do stupid shit. From the morning release of the DOJ, we have a cleaning company that cleaned carpets and upholstery, and they didn't file or pay employment taxes for 2018 to 2020. So those are quarterly reports, 3 years times 4, that's 12 returns right there. She testified in court and said that she did file and pay, and then produced false reports and false receipts that she paid. So if convicted, the maximum time is going to be 5 years for each employment return. 4 times 3 is 12, is 60 years in prison. 1 year for the personal return that she didn't file for 3 years, and then 20 years for the obstruction of justice, and that's filing the false returns. I can't make this stuff up. From the morning release of the DOJ.